At Adrian Steel, we are committed to keeping our employees and customers safe. Our parcel delivery package provides flexibility and improved ingress and egress with its fold-up shelving. This innovative product introduced some ergonomic and safety challenges to our manufacturing process, which leads us to this year's Ergo Cup submission, Under Pressure.
So what we had people doing was we have this gas strut that has to be compressed manually to be put into the installation position for our fold-down shelving. And in looking at that, there was a lot of ergonomic risk because of the amount of force it takes to compress that. It's about 52 pounds of force required to put that shock or that strut into a retracted position for the installation. So the operators are manually doing this using a lot of upper body engagement with the arms, neck, and shoulder.
We realized that we're trying to compress a shock that just wasn't feasible to do all day. You know, we planned on probably running over 200 of these units a day. It just wasn't safe for the operators to do that all day long.
With the old unit, you had to do everything by hand. It was an obstacle at times because the shocks would slide all over when you try to compress them, versus now, things are a lot easier.
So what the team came up with was essentially a pneumatic system to compress that gas strut. That takes all of the effort out of the operator having to do it manually. It saves them from compressing roughly 10,000 pounds throughout the day. That reduces fatigue on the body, which ultimately reduces the risk of injury.
After searching for a shock compressor in the current market, we quickly realized that we needed to develop our own solution to meet our own specific needs.
Not only did we, come up with the shock compressor, but we also developed a mobile cart that is filled with parts that they need for exactly what they're running that day. It presents the parts to them, in a manner to where they don't have to bend over and pick things up off the floor anymore.
So we use Velocity EHS software. We use our Human Tech program, and we use that to look at the pre-modification state and use that advanced tool to get a score. And the score we got was initially a 44. And then after the modification was completed, we reassessed it, and the score came back at a 16. So we have a 64% reduction between the pre-modification and post-modification.
At the end of the day, my hands aren't sore, my back's not sore, my arms aren't sore. It's a no-brainer anymore. I mean, the process is a lot easier. It's a easy transition between going from one part to the next.
We love to keep the operators involved. We love their feedback because they're the ones that handle this all day long. We can only visually assess so much. We don't know if something's really fatiguing them, until they say, hey, time out.